Sound of Harvest concert series brings together musicians across different cultures, musical traditions, and generations onto a single stage.
Hello, my name is John Shu. Together with our wonderful musicians, we founded the Chinese Musician Association of North America. We aim to present the richness of Chinese heritage to the public and collaborating with artists with diverse backgrounds to create multicultural harmony.
The Sound of Harvest concerts are one of the Chinese Musicians Association of North America's major annual concerts. It is an important forum to bring world-class artists to perform world music for our community.
We come from different backgrounds, speak different languages, or live in different places, but we all human beings sharing this one planet. No matter where we are, music has the power to bring us together.
Each year, the Sound of Harvest concerts bring musicians from different backgrounds and instruments from many traditions.
My name is Yang Jing. The instrument I'm holding is called pipa. Pipa is an ancient Chinese instrument.
My name is Kathy Yang. I play the erhu, two-stringed Chinese violin.
My name is Xia Jing. This instrument is called guzheng.
This year, we feature Kaoru Watanabe, a renowned Japanese-American composer, flautist, percussionist, improviser, curator, and artistic director. Professor Kwaku Kwakye Martin Obeng, a well-renowned master drummer, composer, dancer, and educator, originally from Ghana, West Africa. And Dr. Jason Prisset, an accomplished professional guitarist and lutenist. Join us this fall to experience the beauty of world music.